We're going to talk about the text tool and how to use it. So on the left-hand side in the toolbar, I have the text tool. It looks like a little T. You should be familiar with that from all of your Microsoft Word documents or really any kind of computer program. So I click on it, and what I don't want to do is I don't want to make a text box. If I click on it and drag, I make this box, and then if I let go, when I type, it's only going to go inside this area. So I never use text box. I always just click down, and I create the little I-beam cursor, which is called, as I click down, and the I-beam cursor, you can't see it on the screen, is flashing right now. Now I want to type something in, but before I do that, I know 12 point is basically newspaper size. So I want to make that much, much bigger, and I'll do it bigger so you can see it now. So I'm going to make it 72 points. Now notice the I-beam cursor became larger. I click down, and I'm just going to click down and type in my first name. I have my name here, and now just like all the other things, right now this is an object. I select it with my black arrow tool, and I can click and I can drag and make it bigger or smaller. If I don't hold the Shift key down, I change the proportions. If I hold the Shift key down, I can just make it larger or smaller, but it keeps the same proportions. So again, really important to understand how to do that, and then the same things apply. If I want to change the color, I double click on it, select it, hit OK, it changes the color. If I want to put a stroke on it, I click on the stroke, double click, I can change the color of that, hit OK, and then I can go up to my stroke at the top and make my stroke thicker. Now, if I make my stroke too thick, the fill inside is going to change.